Unlike most smartphone trends, gaming phones haven't come to India. While the reason for that is a discussion for another time, ASUS wants to be the first one to bring them to India. Hey guys, this is Saurabh from AllAboutTechnologies and welcome to my initial impressions of the ROG phone. Let's begin. The ROG phone is distinctly a gaming phone and this phone looks like nothing else on the market. With an angular design on the back, dual front firing speakers on the front, red and black accents and of course RGB logo on the back. Even from the inside, this is clearly a gaming phone with the fastest pin of the Snapdragon 845 clocked at 2.96 GHz compared to the usual 2.8 GHz with 8 GB of RAM and some advanced vapor cooler to sustain peak performance. Apart from gaming, this phone also excels as a media consumption device with a crazy 90Hz AMOLED Full HD Plus display flanked with two big front-firing stereo speakers. These are one of the best and loudest speakers I have heard on a phone, and if you enjoy listening music on speaker, you'll love it. Using this phone was a treat for me. UI felt so fast and responsive thanks to that 90 FPS output by the display and an impressive 1 millisecond response rate. Not something I can show on camera, but I definitely understand what ASUS is trying to do here. Try to see this in person sometime to get a better feel of this. Now performance also felt top notch. To quickly test the performance, I played some PUBG on this phone and it could be played at around 60 FPS which felt surreal. I'm going to test this aspect thoroughly to see how many games actually support this refresh rate. The phone did get a little warm but nothing major, and thankfully ASUS includes an aeroactive cooler in the box for better ventilation and also adds a second headphone jack. Something cool that no other phone offers are these air triggers on the top which act as extra shoulder buttons while gaming. Can be really useful when all your competitors are just using two thumbs for everything, especially once you get used to them. There is a special double USB Type-C connector on the side which can be used for charging or to connect to one of their gaming peripherals like the aeroactive cooler, the twin dock, professional dock, gamepad and a few others. All of these take gaming to the next level. Now the ROG phone has a dual camera setup on the back similar to what we got on the ASUS ZenFone 5 set. This is a primary 12MP f1.8 lens with 4-axis optical image stabilization paired with a secondary 128-degree wide-angle camera. On the front you get an 8MP selfie camera, and the cameras on the ZenFone 5G were above average but nothing great. With a massive increase in the price, we expected something much more impressive, but I will comment on that after testing this phone for more time. Now to keep everything running, this phone has a big 4000 mAh battery which supports Quick Charge 4.0, which is nice. Now the best part is that you can charge the phone using the side USB port so that you can continue gaming without the wire messing with your grip. Overall, I was really impressed with this device, and to be honest, I'm really excited to use this device. So ASUS, if you're watching this video, please send it out soon. Please. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. And make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram and ask me questions over there because I'll be able to reply you. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This is Saurabh. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.